Good morning, children. Yesterday we studied about reflection of light. What is a reflection? When a light falls on any object, means any on plane mirror, it reflects in a equal angle. So that is reflection. And we discussed about shadows also. Shadows are formed due to light only, because when light is obstructed by any object, that forms a shadow here. I showed already. Okay, so different shadows have different colors also. Only black color will be there. And see, the shadow of any object will not look the same. Maybe it is longer, shorter, or thinner, thicker in size. Okay. So by this we can play the games also, like you make different fingers, and in front of light, if you hold a finger like this, see, fingers will look different only, longer size. Okay. So depending on distance between the size of the object and the light, we can get different types of shadows. Suppose if you take a notebook and hold it, go outside, hold in the air like this. When the light falls from the sunlight, shadows will be black only, but its shape changes. Sometimes shape will be as it is. Okay. Like if you want to, when you are taking you will take a chair and see that size, and when you see the shadow of the chair, it will be smaller or bigger depending on the size of the distance between the sun and the object. Okay. So different types of shadows are formed due to effect of light. So how will you come to know? So actually we are having one object called pinhole camera. So this you can make in your home. How? You take two rectangular boxes. Okay. You take two rectangular boxes. For one box, suppose this is a rectangular box. Okay, one box. So one side you put a hole. Okay. And you take one more box which is little smaller in size, so that that box can fix in the inside the bigger box. This is bigger one. Okay. So when you take that, you do one thing. You take like this. This will be little smaller than the first one. Okay. And you put a small square like this. Square. Okay. And here there will be opening here. From here you can see. Here. So this will enter. This you put in this first box. Okay. Then so that it should be sliding. They should slide each other. When they slide, you have to observe any object. Suppose you keep one object. You keep one object somewhere like this and see with that pinhole camera. You can adjust and see that. You will come to know the actually here we are putting translucent object, translucent paper. It's a little not allowing completely light to pass over. Very light one translucent object is put there. When you slide this, here you are able to get the little images which are erect, and which may be smaller in size, bigger in size, because you are able to adjust that camera. Camera means that you are able to slide that. It should be sliding each other so that you are able to see particular object. Then only this is how you can make one pinhole camera. In natural also there are pinhole cameras. How? Suppose you are walking on the road. There is a big tree. Okay. So when you see that, between that, sometimes you see some objects here. Sometimes there is small holes which look like when sun's rays fall on the leaves, that will obstruct. And sometimes there is vacant also. That place becomes pinhole. So your tree also will act as or sun will act as a pinhole camera, so that you can see different images or different patches on the road where there is vacant where the light is falls on the vacant light falls on the vacant places. Okay, this is about pinhole camera. So there is one more camera called, this is used in submarine. Okay, so that is actually called periscope. You can make in your room. Okay, what is periscope? See, what you should do actually, this periscope is a instrument which is used to see the inner part, depth part of the sea, especially the shape of the periscope will be like this one. Like this it will be there. You can make in home. Okay, you take card sheets like this. You can make with cardboard also, or you can take waste rud sandal, notebook rud sandal. You can fix there. So you need two what? Glass here, glass, mirror, glass, plain glass you need. Okay, plain glass you need, and here you can keep one object. So suppose if you keep one flower like this. Okay, you keep one flower. Like this you can keep a flower. Okay, here through this you can see. So directly without mirror here, or here without mirror, if you see, you can't see there. So you are able to see this picture in this way, because the image of this flower falls on this mirror, and this its image fall on this mirror, and you are able to see through this place clearly the picture of the flower. So this you can also make in your home. One more is, so where it is used? It is used in submarine. Means to see the depth of the ocean, to see the object present inside the ocean. We use this in ocean, so that actually they can't see directly. You can't put any direct, because see, I think you should know one more thing. You take two pipes. One is straight pipe, one is bent pipe. Okay, so bent pipe. Suppose if you see, if you take one object. Suppose this is one object. You take one straight pipe and you see, you are able to see directly like this. Okay, suppose you keep here and you take one bent pipe and try to see this. Is it possible to see this? You cannot see, because very simple is, the light travels always in a rectilinear proportion, or in a straight line. Light travels in a straight line. Here also light travels in a straight line, but there is a reflection. Images are reflected from the one mirror to other mirror. That's why you are able to see the through periscope. One more instrument you can make in your room is kaleidoscope. So these are activities which you can enjoy in your room. Okay, you take three plain mirrors, which are rectangular in shape. Okay, and you have to join in each other. How? In triangle shape. One will become base at the top. So this way you can make. Okay, one like this, slant, and at the bottom. So this part. So it is like this. Okay. So this part up behind you should cover. Again there is, you take one more plain mirror and fix there, and all you fix with the gum tape, or even Fevikwik, whatever it is able to fix. When you fix this, again you cover with it, and take one more shape like this, which is made by using cardboard card sheet, and to that you put one hole like this, and you can fix to the front part you put. And before doing that, you take marbles or bangles piece of bangles you take and put in that and close it. You try to rotate and check, so get different designs, because these three mirrors will they all continuously reflect within each other, and the images are formed in multiple number. If there are 5 bangle pieces, it may look 10, 15, 100, because of, and they look different designs also. Patterns are formed. So this is a chapter related to light. So some of the question answers I will be giving. You please note down, and for the test you will be having your writing test, only multiple choice questions. So you have to read the textbook properly and you are able to attempt it. Thank you.